Hi dear 10th standard students, welcome to NavinRaj Teachers Media. So today we are going to discuss about multiple choice questions on the topic our environment. Hearty welcome. Which of the following is a biotic component of an ecosystem? Please have a glance on the given options. The right option is C, bacteria, because bacteria is a biotic component or living thing which has life, wherein option A, air, option B, water, and option D, soil. All these are called as abiotic factors. Hence, the correct option is C, bacteria. Yes. Let's move on to next question. Which of the following is a decomposer? Please have a glance on options. Any guesses? Can you imagine which is the correct option? Right option is B, bacteria, because bacteria are called as eco-friendly organisms which are very useful to carry out decay and decomposition, wherein option A, algae, option C, frog, option D, grass, all these are not responsible to carry out decay and decomposition. Hence the correct option is B, bacteria. Let's move on to third question. The flow of energy in an ecosystem is always, have a glance on those four options. Any guesses? Can you predict the correct option? Yes, according to your assumption, right answer is option A, unidirectional, because during photosynthetic reaction, plants prepare their food material by themselves, but producers transfers energy from plants to rest all organisms. Always energy moves from producers or plants. Hence, always we find flow of energy in unidirectional manner. Hence, the right option is A, unidirectional. Let's go for fourth question. The 10% law of energy transfer in an ecosystem was given by option A, Mendel, option B, Darwin, option C, Lindemann, option D, Haeckel. I already said options. Can you imagine? Can you guess correct option? Right option is C, Lindemann, who gave clear-cut information about energy transfer in an ecosystem. Why rest all options are not correct? Because A is a option which says about Mendel. Mendel gave contribution about genetics. B, Darwin, who gave enormous information about evolution. And Haeckel gave information about ecology, who named the term, who coined the term. Hence, right option is C, Lindemann. Let's move on to fifth question. Which of the following organism occupy the highest trophic level? Here, four options are displayed. Please have a glance. A, deer, B, grass, C, tiger, and D, frog. So right option is, any guesses? Right option is C, tiger, because its body mass, its proportion is highest compared to A, deer option, B, grass. Grass is best example for producer, and D, frog. Its mass, weight, and its nature completely differs. Hence, among all these options, C is the correct answer. Tiger is the correct answer, whose proportion is quite different and whose nature is different. Hence, the correct option is C. Let's go for 6th question. Ozone layer protects the earth from. Have a look on options. Yes, out of all these 4 options, right option is C, UV rays. These ultraviolet rays could be seen beyond the ozone layer, because ozone layer acts like a Earth's umbrella which protect our life. So beyond that layer, you are going to find UV rays. That UV rays hampers to us. Right option is C, UV rays. Why not? Rest all options are correct. A is infrared rays. This infrared rays can be considered in heat and remote sensing aspects. And X-rays can be considered in medical imaging. And last one, gamma rays. Gamma rays can be considered in cancer treatment as well as in case of radiation therapy. So right option is C, UV rays. Yes, let's come to next question. Which of the following is not biodegradable? Right answer is, any guesses, dear students? Right answer is C, plastic. Why plastic is the correct option? Because plastic is considered as non-biodegradable substance which doesn't decompose when it comes in contact with soil. But whereas option A, paper, decomposes into the soil, and option B, cotton cloth, decomposes, and option D, you know very well, vegetable peel readily decomposes into the soil by the action of decomposers, wherein C option is plastic. It never decomposes even by the action of microorganisms, decomposers. Hence, correct option is C, plastic. Yes, let's take our move to next question. Which of these is an example of biological magnification? Have a glance on options. Any assumption, any guesses? Yes, right answer is, if you know, you can try, you can take it. Right answer is option B, increase of pesticide in food chain. Why rest all options are not correct? First one, A, increase of carbon dioxide in air forms global warming or else greenhouse effect. And C option, increase water vapor if it is contaminated with sulfur dioxide, nitrous dioxide, then it forms acid rain effect. And D option, if increase of forest area. Increase of forest area says about extension of afforestation. Hence, all these options are not applicable. So, right option is B, increase of pesticide. Can you move to next questions? Come, we'll go to next question. In a food chain, if grass is consumed by deer is consumed by tiger, energy is maximum in. Here just have given only 3 options apart from 4 options. Can you guess which is correct option? A is grass, B is deer, C is tiger. Right option is grass. Can you guess, can you imagine why A option is correct? Because A option, grass, is the best example for producers. So producers undergoes an important process known as photosynthesis, which can prepare their food material by themselves. And rest all organisms are considered as consumers. B is called as consumer, which cannot prepare its food material by itself. And D is called as carnivore, top carnivore, which feeds on rest all organisms. Hence, correct option is A, grass. Let's move to next question. Are you with me? Here, 10th question goes like this. The process of breakdown of complex organic matter into simple substances is called. Could you predict? Could you imagine correct option? Tick it. So, dear students, right option is decomposition. Because decomposition is a vital process where we find breakdown of complex form of food particle into simpler substances that takes place by the action of decomposers. Why? Rest all options are not correct. A, which says about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a food making process which happens in the plant. C, respiration. Respiration is the most biological vital process. And assimilation is completely, D option, assimilation is completely different. And this assimilation says about saturation of nutrients present among our food particle that happens in our digestive system. Hence, the correct option is B, decomposition. I hope you all learned something. Whatever questions so far we discussed, all these questions are considered as frequently asked questions and important MCQ questions. Next video with moderate questions and which are most applicable for your forthcoming annual examinations. So, till that time, keep watching. Stay tuned with NavinRaj Teachers Media. Thank you very much, my dear students.